Hello everyone, this is the Tech Rancher with the solution for homework lesson number 7 by McWhorter. As you can see, Paul had asked this time for us to evaluate his code that he wrote on lesson number 7. He wrote it with a bug in here. The bug is not really totally noticeable due to the way how everything was set up. You could not see, but his yellow LED light is flickering because there's two if statements that are being called. So let's go dive in here and take a look at this. So I'm going to pull up my VS Code, and I'm going to start with his. This is all of his. I'm just copying and pasting, but the only thing I changed was my pin layout. Therefore, I didn't have to change my circuit. See, let's go ahead and start running this. Let's specify that we're going to use this one. Make sure it's uploaded. And we're going to hit run. As you can see here, I'm going to pull up to where I can see the board a little bit better too. But as you can see here, the yellow is flickering. Let's see if we can zoom in on this and move that slightly over. I don't know if you can see that or not over here next to the yellow. I don't know if I can focus in a little bit here. Nah, about as good as we're going to get. I'm pull it over here. But this, just slightly, it's flickering back and forth. Why? Why is that doing that? Why is that one flickering and the red's still going? If we maybe it's because this is messed up. Oh look, see there's the yellow. But when we turn it back over, and now we're telling the if statement to execute. We look back over here and look at the code. We're saying right here, if myVal is greater than or equal to 80, which it is because we're showing that it's over here at 99 to 100. If it's greater than 80, turn the green off, turn the yellow on, turn the red off. This will go on. Okay, so it did that. Now it's going to go on down because it's at waterfall. Python executes code as a waterfall effect. Starts from the top, works all the way down. If there's a loop, like we have a while true, it continues to go from the top down. So the next statement is another if statement. It says myVal is greater than or equal to 95. And we can see the value is going from 99 to 100. So what does it do when it executes that block of code? It says my green is 0, my yellow is 0, my red is 1. Wait. If this one's going and it says yellow is 1, but then now this one says yellow value is 0, it's causing our flickering. Let's see. Yes, I was wondering. My view didn't show the other extra camera, but there it is. So it's causing it to flicker. How do we fix that? That's what Paul wanted us to do for the homework. Let's stop this here real quick, and I'm going to show us how we're going to fix that. Right here in this if statement is where we need to add in another condition. Therefore, that would stop it. So we say if myVal is greater than or equal to 80 and myVal is less than or equal to, or no, just say less than 95. Okay, we're not going above 95, are we? No, because we're saying up to. It's less than all the way up to 95, but not including 95. This should stop this right here, this block of code from running, because this will make it false, even though this is true. But if it is above 95, this will become false. For an AND condition, both of these conditions have to be true for it to execute the block below. This if myVal is greater than or equal to 95 is true. Now our yellow should not flicker and the red should be on solid. Let's come over here. Let's say this real quick. We're doing Control S. We'll come over here and upload it to my Pico. It's been uploaded. Now we're going to run it. Now if we look over here, I do not see the yellow flickering. Let's just make sure I'm not doing any tricks. We'll scroll it all the way down. You can see our values decreasing down here. We're just going to start all the way down. Oops, I'm down here to -0. Paul never did write any conditions to be, or any functions to be able to correct this. So my values of my reading, as his is 432, mine goes down here to 224. But let's go ahead and continue to go up. As you can see, we're increasing. We're increasing. Have we hit 80? No, we have not. We're almost to 80. There's 80. We're bouncing back and forth. As you can see, we're bouncing back and forth. Let's go a little bit past that to make this one true. Now this one is true. We're at 80 and we're actually below 95. So, end result is yellow is on. If we continue to increase, there we go. We went right past. We're at 89. So this one became false. This one became true because myVal is greater than or equal to 95. The yellow should be off. As you can see, there's no flickering. Only a solid yellow is now. There you go. That fixed the problem of what was going on. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for sticking around. We'll catch you later. Bye-bye.